Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some ornament hacks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Dollar Tree does carry a different variety of ornaments, but for these projects I'm specifically using only the ball ornaments. For my first project, I'm using 4 packs of these ornaments. 3 of them have 15 and 1 of them only has 12. Now, basically, I'm only using 3 packs because I'm only using the red, the green, and the white. Also, for this project, I'm using this Dollar Tree wood coaster. I'm actually reusing mine. It was painted with the antique wax, but I went over it with some white chalk paint. And I'm using a Dollar Tree candle holder, which is also painted white. So now I glue the coaster to the candle holder, but I make sure that the top part was the flat part. Now I'm going to start by gluing the ornaments. For the bottom row, I glue 8 ornaments going around. I did do a combination of just green and red. So the first pack that I used was the one that had the 12 ornaments. And I guess there's only 12 because they have like this design on them. The rest of the packs do have 15 ornaments. And they're different. They're solid and glittery. And I just realized they're a little bit smaller than the first pack I used. So I realized that I wasn't gonna have enough of the green ornament, so I decided to use the red pack instead and just glue a whole row of reds. The next row I will be doing, it will be a combination of red, white, and green. And this is how it looks. Now the next row, I'm going to do the same thing. Just start mixing red, white, and green. I was almost done with my tree when I had ran out of white ornaments. So to finish my tree, I decided to use these little ornaments that I had. I got these from Dollar General. They were $1 a pack. And I only use 5 to finish the top. I also use like 2 or 3 of these small ornaments to cover some gaps that I had left. Honestly, I don't know what happened. I think I just aligned these wrong, but I did fix that up. Now it also had like other gaps that these little ornaments didn't fit. They were actually too big. Now to fix that up, I decided to use some of these pine picks. These are from the Dollar Tree. I used a total of 2 packs. I cut these in half and I just added them here and there until I cover all the gaps. To finish this off, I made a bow from the Dollar Tree ribbon and added at the top. That is it. Look how cute this tree ornament turned out. For my next project, I will be using 3 of these packs. Now the ones with the design, 5 come in each pack, and the ones that are the solid red, 7 come in a pack. Dollar Tree carries these wood squares, which I'm reusing mine when I painted white. I am also using a wood plank from the Dollar Tree that I cut in half and I painted white. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just glue the piece of wood on top of the square. Before I start gluing the ornaments, I'm going to remove the little gold hook, and I decided to cut off this other parts. I did use my wire cutters, and I thought I was gonna break like the entire ornament, but I was able to just remove that little part. Alright, so for my first row, I will be gluing 5 ornaments. 3 of those ornaments are going to be the swirls, and the other 2 are going to be red. For my next row, I will be gluing 4 ornaments. 2 of them are going to be stripe and the other 2 red. And that is how I'm going to glue them. I'm going to do swirls, stripes, and then until I get to the top. And this is how it looks. Now, I was going to leave it like that, but then I had some of these pine picks left over, which I decided to add 1 on each side with a bow in the center, and this completes this beautiful ornament tree. For my next project, I will be using these LED emergency candles, and I was going to use this other bigger one, but this was a yellow, like the light was yellow and they didn't go together, so I only ended up using the 2 smaller ones. So for this project, I'm using different shape of candles. These aren't from the Dollar Tree, these are actually from Walmart. And I will be using these as little candle holders. The first thing I did is I removed the little hooks, and then I glued the little stands on top of the ornament. Now I am going to show you the whole process that I did so you can see how it looks with the hooks like this. Once I was done adding the hooks on those little holes, I use them like planters, and I added some greenery. And this is how it looks. Now you can leave them like that, but I decided to remove the little stands and then cut off the little circle part. But it's totally up to you, whatever you want to do, if you want to leave them or cut them off. But that is it. Look how beautiful these candle holders turned out. For my next project, I will be using this wood circle that I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. And I'm using these white ornaments that I already had with some of these Dollar Tree swirl ornaments. So I'm going to start by placing the ornaments down first before I start gluing them. I do want to make sure that they are going to fit before I even start gluing them. The first attempt to do this, as you can see, they didn't fit, so I do end up moving them like more outside, and that is how they fitted. Now in order to make sure that I glue them in the right spot so all of them can fit, what I did is I traced a circle in the center, so like that I know where exactly I need to glue them. Next step, I use a garland that I already had, and I just weaved it around the ornaments. Now Dollar Tree does carry garland that you can use instead. The last thing I did was added a Dollar Tree LED candle, and that is it. Look how beautiful this centerpiece turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.